In this video, we're going to learn how to solve these JAMB economics problems under an introduction to labor market and unemployment. So guys, we have about 8 to 9 repeated questions to practice with in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, a classroom teacher is promoted to the rank of a principal. This is an example of where social mobility, lateral mobility, horizontal mobility, vertical mobility. So guys, the right answer to this question is option D, which is vertical mobility. Okay, very important. The next question is this one. It says the marginal productivity theory applies in A, where monopolistic market only. Okay, they repeated the option here. Option C, we have unionized labor market. Option D, perfectly competitive market. So the right answer is option D, perfectly competitive market. Next question is this one. It says the rate of output per worker or group of workers per unit time is called. We have individual output, labor productivity, total output, work done. The right answer is individual output. Very important. Next question is this one. It says the labor force of a country best describes the number of people receiving pension, people within the working age. Yes, this is the right answer, guys. People within the retirement age, no. The number of people in paid employment, no. So the right answer is option B, people within the working age. Okay, next question is this one. It says when a union is composed of workers with same skill, it is called. We have a workers union, a technical union, a crafts union, an industrial union. The right answer is option C, a craft union. Next question is this one. It says the labor force in Nigeria falls between the age of 18 to 60. Option C, guys. Okay, so that's the right answer here. Next repeated question is this one. It says when a teacher becomes a trader, the type of mobility is, we have horizontal mobility, backward mobility, vertical mobility, geographical mobility. The right answer is option A, horizontal mobility. Okay, take note of this question. The last question before I end this video is this one. It says when workers have a union, the supply of labor is said to be, we have oligopolistic, monopolistic, monosonistic, competitive. So guys, the right answer to this question is option B, which is monopolistic. Okay, very important, guys. So this basically can do problems under introduction to labor market and unemployment for your JAMB economics. We practice with about 8 to 9 repeated questions for this subtopic. Hope there's something interesting in the video. Let's get the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share and comment on this video. Let me know if you for what you learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave your question in the comment section below and we shall give you a response. Also ensure that you're part of the channel membership by clicking on the join button where you get premium information and help you to excel in your SNE exams like your JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so if you done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.